In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop auto-renewing a service subscription in HPanel. Managing your subscriptions effectively can help prevent unnecessary charges and give you better control over your finances. So, let's dive in and walk through the process together. First, you'll need to log in to your HPanel account. As you open your browser and navigate to the login page, make sure your credentials are at hand. Enter your username and password securely and click to log in. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the HPanel dashboard. It's a smart hub where you manage all your website-related activities. Next, you'll want to find the Billing section. On the interface, look for the Billing tab. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu where you need to select subscriptions or just billing, depending on how your current version of the panel is structured. Within this section, you'll see a list of all the services you're subscribed to, such as hosting plans, domain registrations, and any other additional services you might have. Now, it's time to locate the specific service you would like to stop from renewing automatically. Carefully review the list of services you currently have. Each item should be labeled clearly, so it should be easy to identify. For example, this could be a hosting service or a domain name that you have been using but now wish to manage manually. Once you've identified the service you want to adjust, look for an arrow icon right next to it. This icon usually points to the right and looks like this, a small, sleeker arrow. Clicking on this icon will expand the view to show more detailed options for that particular service. Here comes the crucial step. Look for the option labeled Disable Auto Renew. This option might sometimes be tucked away amidst other details, but it should be there once you expand the section for the particular service. With a confident click, select Disable Auto Renew. The system might prompt you with a confirmation message just to ensure you've made this decision intentionally. Go ahead and confirm your selection, and there you have it. By disabling the Auto Renew feature, your selected service will remain active until the end of its current billing cycle, but it won't renew automatically. This adds a bit more convenience in managing your accounts as it prevents the service from auto-renewing once the cycle ends. Remember, this process gives you the freedom to reassess whether you still need the service by the end of its term, thereby allowing you to better plan your expenses. Thank you for following along with this guide. I hope you found this helpful, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need further assistance.